You're the English teacher here,
Yes.
right? And what's the name of the school we're at here today?
The name of the school?
This school.
Abelardo.
Okay, and what city are we in Brazil?
Santana de Parnaíba.
Okay, and so when you decide to be an English teacher, how many years of the university did you have to attend for that?
4 years.
4 years.
Yes.
And then you were a teacher.
I started with 17 years and I studied 4 years
4
at
years.
the university.
Okay, and then you became a teacher. And how long have you been teaching?
For 7 years.
7 years. And how's the pay? The teacher pay? Is it the pay, the salary?
Depends of how much class do you have.
Are you a full-time teacher or part-time?
Full time.
Full-time.
I have 40 hours in a week.
So, if you don't mind me asking, per month, how many reals do you receive? What is your?
More or less 2,500.
2,500 reals for full-time. And how many classes do you have to teach per day?
Per day, depends.
Like,
For example, today I have 8 classes.
8 classes. So you teach 2 turns. Like
Yes.
there's a group that comes in the morning,
Yes.
and you teach all those, and then you teach another turn.
In the afternoon.
So 8 classes in one day. That's a lot, huh?
So much.
I'm sure you're very, very tired. But you have to do that so you can make the money. Because if you teach just one turn, then you make half of the money. Right. What age do they start kids learning English here in this province? Do the kids start English in primary school?
Yes, 6 years, 7 years.
They start English.
Yes.
So your kids are 8th grade here, right?
8th grade.
How is their English? Do they speak much English at this point or no?
Not so much.
No.
I'm trying
And
to live.
and do they get much homework at night?
Yes.
They do. Do they do their homework?
Sometimes.
Sometimes they do. Would you say most of these kids will go to college?
Sorry.
Will most of these kids go to the university after the high school or?
I don't know. Quem vai querer fazer faculdade?
And the university system is free, or they have to pay to go?
They have to pay.
And it's expensive, or it can be.
Some university, yes.
Okay.
We have a university that they don't have to pay, like USP, NESP,
Right.
but they have to study a lot.
Right.
Generally, it's the people that she's studying colleges that they have to pay.
The teacher in Brazil a regarded profession, or a lot of people don't want to do it because the money's not so good. Like people would rather be doctors and lawyers and things like that, and
Nowadays, I think they don't
want to be teachers.
No.
Are they having a hard time getting people to be teachers? Is it?
I think so.
I mean, if you graduate as a teacher, can you most likely find a job? Or is it hard to find a job too?
It's a hard job. It's a hard job. Nowadays, it's so difficult.
But is it difficult to find work in a school?
No, it's difficult to teach nowadays.
Right. All right. Well, thank you very much. And what's your name?
Larissa.
Thank you so much. And these are kind of what the kids are doing. You can say she's writing in English here, and she's kind of going down the line. She's trying to work with the kids. So, how many days a week do the kids get English here? 2 classes. And how long is each class?
55 minutes.
55 minutes.
55.
Okay. Well, thank you. So, 8 classes per day. Is that normally when you have to teach 8 classes per day?
Yes.
8 classes every day. Wow, that's a lot. That is. I bet you go home tired every day, huh? Really tired.
Sometimes.
Yeah. Looks like kind of the bathrooms over here, and the kids are out here playing.